What's up guys, welcome to F1 Feed. Today I'm going over why I keep baby bottles in the back of my RX-8. So if you know anything about rotaries, I'm sure you've heard of apex seals. And apex seals are infamous for going bad, and it's usually due to lack of lubrication. And that is why us RX-8 owners have Premix. What I like to use here is Idemitsu. They're a really well-known brand in the rotary community, and they make rotary racing premix specifically for rotary engines. So this is basically just two-stroke oil that you put into your gas tank when you fill up, and this goes through into the combustion chamber and just adds a little bit of extra lubrication on top of the oil metering pump. So premixing is pretty simple. I do 8 ounces of the premix per tank of gas, which is conveniently the size of most baby bottles, which is why I have baby bottles. So what I like to do is I will fill up 3 baby bottles, so I have those ready to go, and I don't have to worry about pouring it in and then looking at the side and then pouring it in some more and making sure I have the right amount in. This way I always know I'm putting in 8 ounces per gallon of gas. So 8 ounces is usually all you need when you're going for everyday driving, but for track day or performance driving, you can go as high as 20 ounces per gallon. So it really just depends your driving circumstances, and then you can figure out how much to put in. Something to note about premixing is that burning oil clogs your cat. That is actually one of the reasons why the RX-8 is one of the most hated rotary engines, because from the factory it burned oil and clogged the cat. Same thing with the RX-7s and everything before that, but the RX-8s were notoriously bad with that. So I have my catalytic converter right here because I have converted to a D-Cat mid-pipe, which I recommend you do. Passing inspection is a little difficult. That is why I still have this cat, so I can throw it back on when I have to go through and everything's fine. But the D-Cat makes your car sound better, and you don't have to worry about a clogged cat. So I have all 3 bottles filled up, and there are exactly 8 ounces left in the original container. So you can get a 4th bottle, so that way you have all matching bottles, or you could just carry around the container with 8 ounces in it. Don't have to worry about measuring it anymore. And yeah, you're good to go. So before you fill up your gas, just get a little funnel. One of these are really nice for just putting in your gas tank. And put that there. Pour your premix down there, and you're set. So that is why I keep 3 baby bottles in the trunk of my RX-8. I'm not crazy. There's actually a reason behind it. But I definitely get some weird looks at gas stations. You do not want to feed this to your kid. It is definitely not good. And yeah, that's it.